Hello and welcome, guys. Hope you are doing great. So, I am here again with a new video around Moodle. So, this video will be beneficial for the developer, but yes, admin can be also get benefited from this. So, in this video, we'll discuss how you can get the origin of the language string. That means from where that particular string is coming, whether it is coming from block, whether it is coming from Moodle core, Moodle.php, or local language file, or any other file. Okay, so let's get started. So here you can see I am already logged in with admin credential of my one of my local instance. Administration, go to development. Since this is a part of development, you will have to come under the development. Then you can see here the debugging mode. So getting the origin of the strings is something you are debugging. So click on debugging. So after clicking on debugging, you will see the option here, show origin of language strings. Okay, language strings. So if enabled, language string component and identifier are displayed when you if you put this or this in the URL, you will get the origin of the language. Okay, so let me enable this one for now to check how it works. So I have enabled this. Now click on save changes. So after clicking on this save changes, now you are able to see the now you will be able to see this, the origin of the string after appending this. Okay, so let me append this here. So I am here on this page, my courses. On my courses, I just appended this question mark string equal to 1. Now I can see from where this is coming. Okay, so no, nothing is appended here. That means it is coming from lang, then en, then moodle.php. Okay, let me come here inside code, lang en moodle.php. Okay, so if I copy this, I will find here. Okay, so this string is coming. If you change here, you will see the modified after the doing the purge cache. Okay, so just refreshing here, so I don't see any changes, but the moment I do the purge cache here, it will start reflecting. Okay, so let me do the purge cache first. Okay, so it is taking time here. Now it is done. So refresh again here and you will find the your string has been changed. So this is how you can get the origin of your actual language string. Now it is important to save your time while developing. So this will be very beneficial in case you have multiple my courses. Okay, when you come to the code and you search my courses, you will find here the multiple my courses. You see here in this file itself, you see 5 my courses. Okay, and if you go and check one by one, it is going to consume your lots of time. So this is very beneficial tool you can use during the development. Again, here also not coming, that means this will be available inside home. Okay, and that home is a identifier. This itself is an identifier. If I go to here, my home, that is my home, this one is an identifier. Okay, so either you can directly put it in single column to directly jump to that particular string identifier and string, but you can also search one by one. But in this case, you will find multiple, but since this one is identifier and it should be unique, and you will directly jump to that particular string. Now you also see here the course overview is coming from plugin name, and plugin name is block overview. Okay, so block overview, that means it is a plugin, but the type of plugin is block. Let me come to that also. So I am here coming inside block, then after block it is my overview, then it is saying plugin name. So this string is coming from the plugin name. Okay, so after coming here my overview inside, you will see the length, then the en, then the block, my overview. Open this one and you can directly use this. So if you change here, this will start reflecting on the this dashboard page. Okay, yeah, whenever it is being used it will be start reflecting. Okay, after doing the purchase. So hope you like this video and you will try this at your end to save your lots of time during the development. And yes, this, so I show you from the development perspective, but yes, you can also do this for the from the admin side also. If you come here, you can search for the language customization. Okay, so language custom, you can search language customization. You can pick here the English language and you can directly also edit from here also. Open language pack for editing. Here it is going to take your time because it will load all the available language that is inside Moodle you currently working with of English language. So I can also directly jump to this string, but in this case I am changing here of my Moodle core code. Okay, you can see here my code is inside, but from here if you make any change, if you do any change here from the language customization, it will go to your Moodle data and local language section. Okay, so if it is a core, I load here, let me load this one, and I want to change my home, sorry, dashboard to dashboard modified. Okay, so this is a part of core, then Moodle, then this is string identifier section. I will click on this. So dashboard is coming, I want this my home, I want to change dashboard to my home. So apply change and continue editing in case you want more changes. Okay, but I have to only make this change only, then I will click on save changes, return. It is asking you to confirm. Okay, so if you do this, you will see your changes have been made, and in this case there is no need of doing the purchase here. You can see I just change dashboard to my home. Okay, and let me tell you where it goes. It will not be be modifying here. You see here it is as it is. Okay, but it will be modifying under your local language file. So here you will find that local. So as I told you, it will go to your Moodle data. So this is the path of my Moodle data. Let me open that too. Then it is lang, then en lang. So this is considered as a local lang file. And if I open this, you only see this particular string has been inserted here. Okay, you can also see the time here. Okay, 7:12:23, and you see here 22 minutes before it has been updated. So this is how you will get the origin of your string. Suppose you are inside this page and you want to get the from where this string is coming, then how you will do that? For this you will have to go back to your development page, then you will have to come to debugging, then you can remember this, either you can add this or this. Okay, so I want for this page, then in this case I will be using this. And the moment I change that appended in the URL and press enter, you will see everything will start coming. Okay, so this is coming from the badges, then the string identifier name is badge setting. This is coming from the admin. Okay, let me tell, for example, let me correct this, check this one, validating I am this one. Okay, let me go back to my code part. Yes, I am here. So app admin, then lang. Okay, so here you will find the admin lang en admin. Sorry. So here you will find the admin. Then variable name is license setting. So licen license setting. Okay, from here it is coming. But in case you want to make this one modification in this one, you will have to go to payment account, then payment. So here itself you will find the payment, then the payment account, payment account, this one. Okay, if it is plural then you can change here, if it is singular you can change here. So this is how you can use this trick. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.